Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2018 Toyota Hilux Invincible X model, which comes in a very striking blue as well. It's just taking you around the vehicle now. This one is 5 seats and comes with a cover on the bed at the back. So inside we've got 2 leather seats. They are heated, which can be controlled just down here along with the air conditioning and heating, etc. Up here we've got our main screen, which has map, satellite navigation, connectivity setup, radio, etc. Cruise control, hands-free cooling and voice assist can be controlled on the steering wheel. This is an automatic, and it comes with eco mode, power mode, and within here we do indeed have an AC outlet as well. Now just showing you in to the back as well, we do have 3 more leather seats. These do also have pop out coat hangers as well, just here. You can hang a bag or a coat hanger in fact on there. We do have an armrest which has 2 cup holders in it as well for the comfort of your rear passengers. Now heading to the back, we do have the cover, which opens not only at the top so you can just access things quickly, but then also if I open this down as well, unlike other pickup trucks, this one does have a hydraulic hinge, so it opens up slowly and doesn't slam down. There is also a tow bar on the back as well.